What's going on, guys? Jaxx the Bearded Hiker here. So this video is going out to all my vegetarian friends, which I don't really have many, like maybe 2. But anyway, that's beside the point. This is going out to you guys. Red lentil soup in your Instant Pot. I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, guys, are y'all ready to get this most easiest Instant Pot soup on the planet recipe started? Let me show you what I got here before we get started. I have 1 chopped red onion. I have 1 cup of corn. I have 2 stalks of celery, and I have 1 jalapeno. And obviously the jalapeno is to your liking. You can use less or not at all if you don't want to. And also have about 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic right here. And I know it looks funny, but I freeze my garlic in bulk after I've minced it, so that's why it looks like that. So we're just going to throw all of this in our Instant Pot. Okay, next up here I have 3 aroma tomatoes that I've chopped. Add those to the party. In here I have a 1/4 cup of uncooked brown rice. Just sprinkle that in there. Now we're going to add our lentils. This is your red lentils, and you can use yellow lentils or you can use a multicolored lentils, which is what I'm using here. Okay, now is going to go in our spices, and let me tell you what I got here. Again, thebeardedhiker.com. I'll leave a link below. You can go get all of the ingredients there with a printable version, okay? I have 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of Himalayan sea salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/2 teaspoon of ancho powder. All right, and another optional is I'm going to go in with a couple of pinches of cayenne pepper, because this is spicy lentil soup. All right, 3 cups of chicken broth or vegetable broth, either one. 3 cups of just plain water. And we'll give this a stir. All right, so now that we have all this stirred about, now this is going out to all my meat eater friends, seeing as how this is vegetarian. If you wanted to, and I've done this before plenty of times, you can add some chicken to it. Rotisserie chicken is really good, or if you wanted to use chicken breast, you could do that as well. But we're going to keep it vegetarian today. All right, we're going to put our lid on it, lock it down. All right, we're going to set our Instant Pot to pressure cook. We're going to set it to 10 minutes on high, and we're going to let the pressure come down naturally. All right, we'll see you when this is done. Okay, guys, we've came down from pressure. I've let, obviously, some of this steam dissipate here. I'm just going to make a small little thing like I normally would, okay? Hang on a second. I'm going to put some of this Honduran cream that I have in here. Looks like that. This stuff is delicious. Anyway, I use this instead of sour cream for this. So, let me show you what I'm going to do. Just take a little bit of the cream here. Drizzle it over the top like that. Take a little bit of chopped parsley here. Whoops. All right, let's give this a taste. Okay. All right, let's give it a try. Let's see how we did. Still a little hot. Smells delicious. Boom. So you get that creaminess from the lentils because the lentils actually break down in there. So, and then when you stir it, it's just kind of like has this creaminess about it. Got a good flavor. Excellent if you're trying to get your diet in check. Again, you can, if you're a meat eater, you could add chicken in there, which I've done before. But you know what else would be good is some type of smoked sausage. I bet you that would be good. All right, guys, spicy red lentil soup in your Instant Pot. Do it.